Hello. Hi. Yeah, I'm in a trade. I actually started recording earlier and I took a loss, and then I had some disruption in the house, and I'm in again, and I explained to you why I'm taking this trade, and I am 500 from max win on this combine. I will show you the screenshot if we get there. I've been scalping a little bit the AM session. I did take some really good trades and also some failures as it happens. All right, so we're up 18 points. You were 1-to-1. I expect, well, I shouldn't be too long for me to get to the 1500 level of pass in the combine. I expect it to happen roughly around here. I got it right this time. I'll show you proof. 1200, only 300 more, and we're done. I'm trading a little bit, so I don't lose a profit, but this should be rocket up. Hopefully, and then I can explain you why I took this. Let's see, 600. Is it the 230? Yeah, 230 push. Yeah, we should soon hit the max for the day. 1400. Right, let's do it. Then I can share a screenshot that we passed. Well, we did the max possible result on this combine. And then I can explain you why I took this trade. Okay, I got stop loss, only 1200. All right, I'll take it. We'll call it a win. Let me see if I can show you this. I was trailing. I don't want to lose this profit. So, all right. Let me show you. I just took this. I was trailing aggressively, and that's my average. I added, as you can see. And I'll explain to you why I took this. It was fairly simple. Okay. All right. So this is logged. Why did I take this trade? As we see if it will play out, I expected so, but maybe not. Okay, so the whole of since pre-open 7 a.m. we started really crazy drop of 400 points and 450, 420 points. And then at one point price started to resist, right? There was something on the left, yeah, so we were in this area and we did a double bottom and started reversing. So I did take some really nice longs in this area. I took some nice longs. Then I was not fooled that we were breaking lower. I actually took a crazy trade. Let me show you. I should have it. Yeah, so I was scalping. Let me show you the scalping process. As I was scalping this same account, by the way. So I was scalping this same account, and I did take a few longs from that, from here, from this side. Very nice. I should have held it all the way up, and I would have been a max win, but I didn't. So that's why we're still trying to get to 1500 for today. But I'm satisfied with this. We can call it a day. I want to explain to you though why I took this, and surprise, it's related to both market structure and to statistical levels. So let me explain the statistical levels. Okay, we've been after this big huge move down, we sort of told everybody that market structure was changing, was shifting around here. Of course, always my presets are wrong. And then a little bit of posturing, we started moving up, and then at 11:30, big fake out, we came back down to retest the bottom. This was, if you think about it a little bit, like an AFOB setup, which was basically an unmitigated area, and around the origin of the area we do a double bottom. And not only that, but you know, we did a liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep could not continue the upside, and that basically the real reversal happened at around basically 12:30 at the end of the lunch break, lunch pause. Okay, once the 10 to 2 p.m. candle closes, so you see there was this huge retracement. So the candle opened, and then dumped 200 points, and then it reverted and closed upwards, right? So these were the moves. So it's an indication that the downwards move is exhausted over 4 hours. The candle did close, body close, but it had trouble doing it. So what I did, I projected sorry, I got confused by comments of friends. And so I projected the statistics. So once we have this 4-hour candle complete, and it opens here, this is the open of the candle, how much will we retrace before expanding? So imagine we are bullish. How much will we retrace? So these are statistical levels. So what I did, I took the 5,000 4-hour candles I have that are between 2 and 6 p.m. So the last 4 hour before close, and I plotted them against the previous candle, and I drew, basically I measured the weeks, the week of this. Basically I measured the week. I measured the weeks, measured in percentage from the open of the candle, measured as a percentage of this one. And I collected values and I plotted distributions. And then there it is. So the median retracement is around this area. So I already thought we would push upwards. I'm bullish for the 2 to 6 p.m. time frame. I have to wait for a manipulation, which is this week. And where is it going to end? Between the Q1 to the median value, sometimes the Q3. And lo and behold, that would have been max win if I didn't close it, as always. Fantastic. All right. So I'm very happy. How many points? 43 points. Our target, well, the official one I took was 54 to 74. It's roughly 20 points. Yeah, half of what I could have done. And I took a stop earlier on this. That's why the combined is not max win, but only up 1200. Okay. Wait, this was the reason why I took this. I took this now at the after 2 p.m. on, let's say, the narrative of the 4 hour plus these statistical levels. But there was also market structure, right? So if you look at the market structure, we broke to the upside, so we're now bullish. So we expect a measure of retracement into the previous zone and then a continuation. But because the previous 4 hour has been so such a strong indication that the trend will continue, and the statistical levels were quite shallow, I didn't expect a deep retracement. So I tried the long actually. When price failed to take this low, I entered here. I could anticipate because we touched the first quantile level. So I thought, okay, this is the push. 220, let's go. And then it wasn't. You had to do a final manipulation around to 227. So once I saw the double bottom, so we came back up and then down, so we did the double bottom, we touched twice. This is NDR, a very shallow touch, but it is at the median, the median value that we were, was explaining to you what I meant in the previous video. And yeah, should have held to the continuation, because ideally, if this candle wants to push hard, it could reach all the way to here. At least, statistically speaking, let me show you. Statistically speaking, this 4-hour candle could definitely push up to here. It's not a stretch given the extent of that 4-hour candle, right? And then some refinement. I was looking at the 15-second candles, and you can see there's a double bottom, and there's this tinier zone that we got to 50% double bottom, and then could not breach it and continue. So I was also looking at the chart on the 15 seconds on my execution screen, which I'm not showing. So I'm pretty excited because this is it the second t-shirt? Is it the same? Yeah, okay. Yeah, these statistical levels, it's nothing new. People had there's some indicators, very popular commercial available, that give you some levels. The one that I built are slightly different, and they have a slightly profound statistical meaning, which I've explained in the previous video. Anyway, did we do it live? Yes. So the trade was still ongoing. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the entry when I enter, because family stuff, and I actually didn't to interrupt and cut the video twice, so I restarted as it was happening live. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna post this execution too. We are 12 minutes in. Beautiful. I'm happy. Thank you. Bye bye. Sono vicino, amore.